channel Statistics with Geeta. Today we are going to see the topic average. It is part 12 of exercise number 1. The average of a family of 5 persons is 20 years. If the youngest member is 8 years old, what was the age of the family at the birth time of the youngest member? Solution. Model total age of the family at present. Inna total age in that is 20 into 5 plus 8 into 1 plus 4 into 8. Upper 100 plus 8 plus 32, that is 140 years. அடுத்தது total age of the family 8 years earlier. 8 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால 4 பேர் தான் இருந்திருப்பாங்க. அவங்களோட average age வந்து 20. So 20 into 4 equal to 80 years. Therefore, average age of the family at the birth of the youngest member வந்து 140 minus 80 divided by 4. That is 60 by 4, which is 15 years. அடுத்தது exercise number 2. If the average of A, B, C is A, then find the average of A, B, C and A. Solution. Given A plus B plus 3, A plus B plus C whole divided by 3 equal to A. ஏன்னா average of A, B, C வந்து A கொடுத்ததுனால. So that implies A plus B plus C equal to 3A. Therefore, A plus B plus C plus A whole divided by 4 equal to 3A plus A by 4, which is 4A by 4, that is A. So, average of A, B, C and A is capital A. அடுத்தது exercise number 3. The average temperature of the first 3 days of a week is 27 degrees Celsius and that of the next 3 days is 29 degrees Celsius. If the weekly average is 28.5 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the last day. See, third solution பாருங்க. Temperature on the last day equal to total temperature of the week minus total temperature on the first 3 days plus total temperature on the last 3 days. So total temperature of the week வந்து எவ்வளவு நமக்கு average 28.5ங்கிறதுனால 28.5 into 7 minus total temperature on the first 3 days வந்து 27 into 3 plus இது last 3 days 29 into 3. So இது ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணிடுறோம், அப்போ ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அப்போ இது வந்து 199.5, இது ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணும்போது minus bracketல 81 plus 87. So that is 199.5 minus 168, which is 31.5 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature on the last day is equal to 31.5 degree Celsius. Exercise number 4. A batsman has a certain average of runs for 9 innings. In the 10th innings, he made a score of 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 8 runs. What is his new average? So, 9th innings la ஒரு x ன்னு வெச்சுக்க போறோம், the average. அப்ப 9x plus 100 equal to x plus 8 into 10 ஆயிரும். That implies 9x plus 100 equal to 10x plus 80. அப்போ இந்த 10x minus 9x x ஆயிரும். இந்த 100 minus 80 வந்து 20. So, x equal to 20 ன்னு கிடைச்சிரும். இப்போ அவரோட நியூ ஆவரேஜ் என்னன்னா increasing by 8 runs ன்னு வருதுனால x விட 8 ரன் கூட இருக்கும். Therefore, new average equal to x plus 8, that is 20 plus 8, which is 28. So, the answer is 28. Exercise number 5. The average age of 24 boys in a class is 16. If the teacher is included and one boy is excluded from the group, the average increases by 1. What is the age of the teacher? Solution number. Total age of the group equal to 24 into 16. That is 384. Total age after including the teacher and excluding the boy. அப்போ ஒரு வயசு கூடுது average age. அப்போ 24 into 17, that is 408. Therefore, age of the teacher equal to இந்த ரெண்டுத்துக்குள்ள difference. So 408 minus 384, which is 24 years. The age of the teacher வந்து 24 years. Exercise number 6. The average weight of 35 students in a class is 35. If the teacher is included, the average weight increases to 36 kilograms. Find the weight of the teacher. Solution. Total weight of the students in the class 35 into 35, that is 1225 kgs. Total weight after including the teacher 36 into 36, that is 1296 kgs. Therefore, the weight of the teacher is 1296 minus 1225, which is 71 kgs. After the exercise number 7, the average printing errors per page in a book of 512 pages is 4. If the total number of printing errors in the first 302 pages is 1208, find the average number of printing errors per page in the remaining pages. So, solution பாருங்க. Total errors in the book வந்து 512 into 4, that is 2048. Errors in the first 302 pages 1208. Therefore, errors in the remaining 210 pages வந்து 2448 minus 1208, that is 840. Therefore, average number of printing errors in the remaining pages equal to 840 divided by remaining pages 210. So, பண்ணா 4 errors இருக்கு. Average errors in the remaining pages வந்து 4. Exercise number 8. Of the 3 numbers, the first is 4 times the second and 3 times the third. If the average of all the 3 numbers is 95, then find the third number. Solution. Let the third number x in வச்சுக்கிறோம். Then first number வந்து 3x and second number 3x by 4. அப்போ given 3x plus 3x by 4 plus x whole divided by 3 equal to 95. ஏன்னா average வந்து 95 கொடுத்ததுனால. That implies இப்போ LCM எடுக்கிறோம். அப்போ வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? 4 எடுத்தோம்னாக்கா 12x plus 3x plus 4x whole divided by 12 equal to 95. That implies 19x equal to the 12 into 95, 1140. Therefore, x equal to 1140 by 19, which is 60. நம்ம இங்கே x என்னன்னு வச்சிருக்கோம்? Third number வச்சிருக்கோம். நம்ம கேட்டிருக்கிறது find the third number. Therefore, third number equal to 60. See exercise number 9. The total production of 10 tea estates is 550 tons. By opening 2 new tea estates, the average increases by 3 tons. Find the average production of these 2 estates in tons. Solution. Average production of 10 tea estates in 550 by 10, that is 55 tons. Average production of 12 tea estates in அதோட 3 டன் அதிகமாகுது. அப்போ 55 plus 3, 58 tons. Therefore, total production of 10 estates நமக்கு தெரியும் 550 tons. அதே மாதிரி total production of 12 tea estates வந்து 58 into 12, 696 tons. Therefore, total production of 2 new estates வந்து எவ்வளவுனா 696 minus old ones 550. So that is 146 tons. Therefore, average production of 2 new estates equal to 146 divided by 2, that is 73 tons. அடுத்தது exercise number 10. The average age of 10 members in a family is 21 years and due to death of one member, the average is reduced by 2 months. Find the age of the member who died. இப்போ solution. Total age of 10 members வந்து 10 into 21, 210. Total age of 9 members, 20 years into 10, 20 years 10 months into 9, that is 187 and a half. அப்போ age of the member who died வந்து 210 minus 187.6, that is 22.4. Approximately it is 22 years. So அந்த இறந்தவருடைய வயசு வந்து 22 வருஷம். So இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தது அப்படின்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.